to Study Time channel. Exercise 5.4. First question: if A set is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 4, 5, then first part of first question, write three binary relations from A to B. We write here solution. R1 is equal to, we know that this is A to B, it means all elements in first position must be from A set A and second from set B. We write here 1 and 4, similarly 1 and 5. We have to find three binary relation, so our second relation is 1 and 4. We can write here as 1 4 and 2 4. R3 1 5 2 5 3 5. This is next. Second question, in first part, second is write 4 relation, binary relation from A to B. B to A. From B to A. It means all first elements are from set B. Set B, we have elements in set B 4, 5, and all elements in second position is from set A. Here R1 is equal to, we know that set B have elements 4, 5, so 4 and 1 from set A. We have to find 4 binary relations and 4, 2. R2, we can write R2 here. Five 1 5 2. R3 4 3 4 2 4 1 and R4, this is equal to 4 1 5 1 4 2 5 2. Third part of question number 1, write 4 binary relations in A. In A means A cross A. First relation R in A cross A is equal to, A cross A means from A to A both sets are elements of set A. It means 1 2 3 these elements in both sets. So we have R1 is equal to 1 2 R. This is first relation. Second relation is 1 1 2 2 and third relation is 1 3 2 3 and fourth relation is 1 1 2 2 and 3 3. This is our third part, and fourth we have write 2 binary relation in B. This is the similar as third part. In B means B cross B. So we have R1 is equal to 4 4 and R2 is equal to 4 and 5 and 5 5. These are two binary relation and it's complete our first question. Question number 2 of exercise 5.4. If A set is equal to 1 2 3 4 and set B have elements 1 3 5 and relation R is equal to x y such that y is less than x is a binary relation from A to B, then write it in tabular form. We know that this is a relation in set builder notation, and these are elements and this is the condition for every element. So we have to write here tabular form. It means every element. We check every element and write it in tabular form. Set R is a relation. We check because this is a relation from A to B. It means every element of X, every X is from A and X is greater than Y from set B. We write here all elements in form that X is greater and Y is less than X. So in this type of question you must understand, you must observe the value of Y. First check Y and then X. Y is less than X. Y is 1 and in X position there is no value less than 1. So we ignore 1. Next we have 3. 3 is sorry 1 is less than 2, less than 3 and less than 4. So we can write that as 2 1, 2 3 and 4 1. We write here 2 1, 2 3 1 and 4 1. All these elements satisfy this condition. Y is less than X, Y is less than X, Y is less than X and 1 is less than 4. Similarly, we write next, we check next 3. For 3 we observe that if we write 3 here in the position of Y, then in position of X must be greater than Y, which is 4. So next we have only 4 and 3 and this is our answer. Next question number 3. Domain of binary relation xy such that y is equal to 2x. This is condition for these binary relations in set W is 0 4 8. Find range of R. Here we have domain. We have domain of R is equal to 0 4 8. We have to find range of R. We have here a condition, all elements y in the form of 2x. So we check here, these are all x. We check all x in this condition. First we have y is equal to 2x. If x is equal to 0, implies y is equal to 2 into 0 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 implies y is equal to 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. Next we have 8. Y is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 8 2s are 16. Hence we have range of R is equal to set of all these elements. Question number 4. Domain of a binary relation x y such that y plus 1 is equal to 2x square in set n. Find range. We have condition here as y plus 1 is equal to 2x square and its domain is set n. This is infinite set. We have to find range. Solution. Domain of R is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. We have to find its range. By relation, we say it R. This is equal to x y order pair such that y plus 1 is equal to 2x square. This is the condition satisfied must be by every element, every set. This condition is must for every element, every order pair of set R. So we have y plus 1 is equal to 2x square. We simplify it because we have to find value of y. So we write it as 2x square minus 1. We have domain of R is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So we have if x is equal to 1 implies y is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 1, which is equal to 1 square is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 1, it is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next we have x is equal to 2 implies y is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 1. This is equal to 2 into 4 minus 1. This is equal to 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Next we have 3. X is equal to 3 implies y is equal to 2 into 3 square minus 1. This is equal to 2 into 9 minus 1. 9 into 2 times 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18. 18 minus 1 is equal to 17 and so on. We can write here 3 dots for continuity. We can write here domain is equal to 1, 2, 3 and range is equal to hence range of R is equal to set 1, 7, 17 and so on. And this question complete our exercise 5.4.